previous year question of JEE Advanced 2022. Okay, and your question is what? Let Z be a complex number with non-zero imaginary part. Okay. Hello students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics faculty at Toppers Academy. So today we'll discuss about previous year question of JEE Advanced 2022. Okay, and your question is what? Let Z be a complex number with non-zero imaginary part. Okay, non-zero imaginary part. And if this thing is a real number, then you have to find the modulus of Z square. Okay, so if something is a real number, then that is equal to what? That is equal to its conjugate. Yes. So you can say that number 2 plus 3z plus 4z square divided by 2 minus 3z plus 4z square, that is equal to its conjugate. So when you take the conjugate, so that is 2 plus 3z bar plus 4z bar square divided by 2 minus 3z bar plus 4z bar square. ठीक है, तो दोनों क्या होंगे? इक्वल होंगे. अब क्या यूज कर लेंगे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. व्हेन यू यूज योर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, सो यू कैन से दैट इज 2 into 2, you can say that is equal to what? That is equal to 2 into 2, 4 minus 6z bar plus 8z bar square is equal to, plus that is 3 into 2, that is 6z minus 9zz bar plus 12z into z bar square. Yes, plus 4 to the 8z square minus 12 z square z bar plus 16 z square into z bar square. Okay, and this thing is equal to what? 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 6z. Yes, 4 minus 6z plus 8z square plus 3 into z bar, that is 6z bar. Okay, minus 9zz bar. Okay, plus 12 z bar into z square. Okay, now plus that is 8z bar square. Okay, 8z bar square minus 12 z into z bar square. Okay, and 16 and plus 16 z square into z bar square. Okay, now you can use your algebra and you can observe that you can cancel 4 by 4, you can cancel 16 z square z bar square with this. Okay, and now you have what? Now you have, do you have anything else? 9zz bar minus 9zz bar here. Okay, next is what? Next is nothing else, I think. Okay, yeah, so now you can say, when you collect your terms, okay, 6z, and when you shift here, so that will become what? That will become 12z. Okay, similarly minus 6z bar, and when you shift this one, so that is minus 12z bar. Okay, got it? Now sir, that one is what? That one is 8z bar square. Okay, and here you have 8z bar square, so you can cancel this. Okay, similarly 8z square you can cancel with 8z square. Okay, now the next one is what? Next one is 12zz bar square, and you have 12zz bar square with minus sign, so you can say plus 24zz bar square. Okay, next one is what? Last term is here, this one minus 12z square z bar, and sir plus 12z bar z square. So when you shift here, so you'll get minus 24z square z bar. Okay, and that thing is equal to what? That thing is equal to 0. Clear everyone? Now sir, you can observe, you can take 12 common, so this is 12 z minus z bar. You can take 24 zz bar common, that is what? That is z bar minus z. Okay, is equal to 0. Okay, now you can say, you can take z minus z bar common, 12z minus z bar common. If you take 12z minus z bar common, so that is 12z minus z bar is common, and you left with what? That is what? That is 1 and minus 1. Z minus z bar is common, so that is minus 1 minus 2zz bar. Okay, 1 minus 2zz bar is equal to what? 0. Okay, so sir, if the product of two things is 0, then either this one is 0 or this one is 0. Okay, so you have two cases, either z minus z bar is 0 or you can say 1 minus 2 z bar is equal to 0. Okay, sir, if this one is 0, okay, let's say this is 0, so it means what? Z is equal to z bar. And if z is equal to z bar, it means what? It means imaginary part of z is equal to 0, because your number is what? Your number is real number. Okay, but you are given with what? You are given with non-zero imaginary part. Yes, your complex number having non-zero imaginary part. So it means that is not a possible case. Okay, so it means possibility is 2z bar is equal to 1. So z bar is equal to 1 by 2, and z bar is equal to what? Mod z square, which is equal to 0.5. So that is what? That is your answer. Okay, you have to write your answer till 2 decimal places. So your correct one is 0.50. Okay, so that is your correct answer. So modulus of z square, square of the modulus of z, that is what? That is 0.50. This is the correct answer for your given question. Okay everyone, so that's enough for this video. In the next video we'll discuss the next question of your previous year papers. Okay, till then, thank you everyone, bye bye.